If you're watching this video right now, it's probably because you wondered this video has no title.
Titles.
Basically, this video has no title, which is normally impossible, but I have figured out a way to accomplish it.
How?
In this video, I'll be showing you how some YouTubers do it and how you could do it yourself. If you want to know how this is even done, keep watching.
Sheriff, he's over here.
God.
The solution. I was trying to play around this video which you're seeing right now to see how I could do this. But as soon as I removed the title, it didn't allow me to save. I just did a simple Google search of an empty character and I found a little character that I can click, select and copy. And then I actually pasted that in the YouTube title and it allowed me to click and save it.
Wow.
Therefore, utilizing an invisible character makes it possible to create a YouTube video without a title. It is possible to get around with the platform's requirement for a visible title by copying this character from the editor and inserting it in the video title. Thus, you can save and distribute this video without a title by an easy approach. If you're interested in this video and also curious topics like this, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as it would really mean a lot. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.